Hey everyone, how's it going? So I just wanted to say thank you. You guys are like the best. You really are. Your generosity just blows me away at times, and I can't thank you enough. And I want to give a special thank you, shout out for he stopped at the shop and he brought me some gifts, and really blown away by this. Really, I really do appreciate this. So let me show you what he dropped off. So he came in with this big box, and so he's got some gloves here, right? So two boxes of extra large. These gloves are actually pretty darn amazing in the fact that like I've used these before, and in the parts washer, I know if you guys have used parts washers or gasoline or oil or anything like that, and you get it all over your gloves. The gloves have a tendency to swell. These don't, which is pretty nice. Most of the ones I've had, they fall apart and everything else. These hold up pretty well. So, thank you for that. I really do appreciate that. But then what really, really blew me away was this. He went ahead and got me an M12 quarter hex screwdriver, power screwdriver set up from Milwaukee. And, I mean, these are absolutely amazing. I have one at the shop, but I needed one for home. And I've been taking the one from the shop back and forth, and wow, I mean, this is really, really going to come in handy, and I really do appreciate it. It actually has two batteries and everything, so that's absolutely awesome. And he gave me a set of drill bits with it. I mean, how can you go wrong with drill bits? You can't. I mean, shoot, again, poof, blown away. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. He lives close to me. I didn't even realize that. And, well, I kind of knew he lived close, but I didn't realize how close he actually lives. We're not that far apart from one another. So I told him, if you ever need me, just give me a shout. If I need you, I'm going to give you a shout. We got each other's cell numbers. So, and then also on top of all of this, he went ahead and got me more gloves, and these are going to be for the shop actually, because we need them there too. He got me two cases of gloves. So he got me this case, which carton 23, 10 of 20, 15 and a half pounds. I don't know how many. I guess there's 10 boxes of that number, whatever those are. And then here's a case of those, which I believe are the same as those. So that's absolutely awesome. But these I'm going to take to the shop because we definitely use gloves more often in the shop. Now, I know you guys always say, oh, you never wear gloves, you never wear gloves. I do wear gloves. It's hard for me to wear gloves and film at the same time. It's also hard for me to wear gloves on a lot of different things that I do. But when I'm using a parts washer, if I'm really getting drenched in transmission fluid or I'm working on something really greasy, then yes, I will use gloves. A lot of times I don't, yes, that's true, but I do use them quite often. I do go through quite a few gloves. This is going to last me a year. This is going to last the shop a year, easy. So, again, blown away, absolutely blown away. Thank you so much. One last and final thing I just wanted to say. This is just a short video. One last and final thing I wanted to say is, I know some of you have questioned, how come you're seeing a few Joe and Mo videos popping up, like as if they're new videos? What I've been doing is I've been going through all my old videos. And sometimes, and I'm trying to get better at it. I'm still not that great at it. Like if I have a part 1, part 2 type video, I've been trying to go back and I used to never tag when it's a part 1, part 2, so you would know to go to the next one. I never knew how to add the tags. I never knew how to add the end screens. I'm learning all of that stuff, and I'm doing it now. So what I'm doing is I'm also going back to these older videos because I'll have like a part 1 and part 2, and like in part 1 it'll have, let's just say 5,000 views, and part 2 will have 110. Well, obviously nobody knew how to find part 2. So what I've been doing is I've been combining the two videos, and I'll put them up as a new video. So that's the reason for it. So that's the reason, and I'm sure I'm going back 2 to 3 years ago. So many of you have never seen these videos before. You don't even know where they're located. I don't even have, a lot of those before I came up with categories of, engine, transmission, brakes, stuff like that, where you could find those videos. A lot of them were never even cataloged, whatever you want to call it. So I've been going back, and trust me, it is amazingly time consuming. So it's I work a full day, then come home, and I spend 1 or 2 hours just doing that. or working in the garage, on the Hornet or whatever. So it's just incredibly time consuming. So I'm trying to do that. And I'm trying to find the videos that I feel are worth it. I'm not going to do it to every single video, that's for sure. But if I find a video that I feel is worth it, that I might have either made a terrible thumbnail for, or I didn't even make a thumbnail, I just used a still shot, because if you look at my early videos, some of them are just still shots with no writing, no nothing. So people would never even click on them. So I am going back and I'm finding those videos. I'm watching every single video all over again. And of course, there's videos out there that are just like, I'm like, whew, that's terrible. Like, I hope nobody finds this video because it just plain simply sucks. But so I'll actually go ahead and I'll make a new thumbnail, make a new title and stuff like that. And I might repost it. Like the one you just saw yesterday with the brake job on the Yukon. That was 2 videos where one video got plenty of views and then the other one got almost nothing. So I combined the 2 because it was a part 1, part 2, and I made it a single video and I re-uploaded it now. You may see some other ones, like I said, that the thumbnail or the title or whatever was so terrible. Sometimes I'll just rename them and leave them alone. Sometimes I will rename them, edit something out of it or clean something up that's in that video now that I know how to do it. And then I'll repost it because I feel it's a video that's worth it. I feel it's a video that has good content, and for whatever reason, it just went nowhere. And most of that reason is my fault because I was just not experienced enough in YouTube to know what to do. So anyway, that's the reason you're seeing stuff like that. So I just wanted to fill you in and let you know that. So again, thank you everybody that sends me stuff and whatnot, and I'm trying to get better at it. And like I said, for all this stuff, this is blows me away. Anyway, I guess that's about it. I got plenty to do here. I got stuff going on today. That's about it. All right, guys. Thanks again. Have a great day and keep wrenching.